Welcome to the latest Mango report. They said the camera would kill painting. They said television would rot our brains. Now they say artificial intelligence will end human creativity. But what if they're wrong again? What if large language models, those poetic, code-writing, idea-generating algorithms, are the end of creativity, but the beginning of a new renaissance? Today, we explore: will AI kill creativity or supercharge it? The fear of machines that create. We've entered a strange era. Machines now write stories, compose music, generate art. With a few prompts, AI can spit out novels, paint portraits, even design entire video games. And so, many creators ask, if a machine can do what I do, what am I for? That's fear. Fear that we'll be replaced. That creativity will become cheap. That the soul behind the work will be lost in the noise of automation. But let's pause for a minute. This fear assumes one thing, that creativity is a fixed thing, something you have or lose. But human creativity adapts. Let's examine the history of creative panic. This is not the first time we feared the end of art. When photography arrived, painters panicked. When film was invented, theater purists revolted. When digital tools entered design, illustrators feared extinction. But what happened? Creativity didn't die, it evolved. Painters embraced abstraction. Theater found new life through smaller, more personal experiences, focusing on depth over spectacle. Design has rapidly evolved to become dynamic and responsive. Like what you see in apps, websites, or digital art. Every new tool changes the how, but never the why. Humans are not static beings, we are adaptable. We absorbed the typewriter. We mastered the camera. We learned to code. And now, we're learning to co-create with AI. You write the first line, AI writes 3 more, and suddenly, you're in a new rhythm of invention. You sketch a melody, AI harmonizes it, and you hear something you never imagined. This isn't the end of authorship. It's the expansion of possibilities. The unfolding of new worlds. The advent of AI is a big bang and not an extinction event. Here's the secret most people miss: AI doesn't kill originality. It kills excuses. The fear isn't that AI will outcreate us. It's that more people than ever will now have access to tools of creativity. The gatekeepers are gone. A kid in Freetown can make a film score. A grandma in Ohio can write a children's book. A 17-year-old can start an art movement with nothing but a laptop and a prompt. This is not a bottleneck. This is a floodgate. What makes us human? Let's be clear, AI can imitate, remix, predict. But it does not suffer. It does not wonder. It does not fall in love or grieve or dream in sleep. We do. And that means the core of creativity, emotion, contradiction, vulnerability remains ours. The best art isn't perfect. It's honest. And that's something no algorithm can fake. So, will AI kill creativity? Only if we stop creating. But if history is any guide, we won't. We'll adapt, collaborate, and transform. Just like we always have. This is not the end of imagination. This is the beginning of something strange, electric, and alive. So go create with the machines. Not because you must, but because you can. Tell us in the comments, will AI enhance or hinder creativity?